The area of a hallway measures 2 yards by 3 yards, and each custom tile covers 1 1/5 square feet. How many tiles are needed to cover the hallway floor? So this one's a challenging one. I'm going to go ahead and draw it out just so that I have a visual. So this hallway measures 2 yards by 3 yards. So I have 2 yards by 3 yards. And then the issue is that the tiles are done in square feet. So I need to figure out how many feet that's going to be. So what I'm going to do is I put a Y, that should be yards. So I'm actually going to go ahead and start looking at, so I'm going to need to start looking at these as feet. So I'm actually going to convert these over to feet. So 3 yards is actually going to be how many feet? And think about the fact that each yard is equal to 3 feet. So this is actually 9 feet. And then 2 yards is going to be 6 feet. So let's go ahead and we need to find the area of that now that we've converted that to feet. And the area that's going to be 6 feet times 9 feet, which is going to get us 54 square feet. Now I have tiles, or there are tiles that cover 1 1/5 square foot each, and we need to know how many tiles they're going to need. So we're going to go from 54 and we're going to divide that by 1 1/5. So we're going to turn those both into improper fractions. I have 54 over 1, and then I have 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 is going to be 6. So divide that by 6/5. This is division, so we are going to keep, change, flip. So keep the first one, change the division to multiplication, flip over my second fraction. When I do that, I do see that I have a common factor that I can divide out here. 54 and 6 are both divisible by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 54 divided by 6 is going to be 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 1 times 1 is 1. My answer is 45 tiles is what we're going to need. Oop, I made that move around a little bit.